Hello, my name is Karun Kaushik. I am your technical expert advisor. Today I welcome you in Eastman Techno Expert session. Today we will talk about how to replace Eastman lithium battery display in 25.6 and 51.2 volt models. When display replacement required, you need to replace the display when the display appears blur. If there is complete blackout or the alphabets or digital values are not able to clearly visible on the display. Also, if the display is physically damaged or broken. In such situations, display replacement become necessary. Tools required for replacing the display. For this, you only need an electric screwdriver and a new compatible display. There are some steps which need to follow during display replacement. First of all, you need to switch off the battery. Using an electric screwdriver, carefully open all the screws of the battery. Once all the screws are removed, gently remove the top cover of the battery. After removing the cover, you will see the display mounted inside the battery. Disconnect the connector which is connected to the BMS. Handle the connector very gently. After disconnecting the connector, open the display mounting screw and remove the old display. Now place the new display in the same position. Mount it properly using the screws. Securely reconnect the display connector to BMS. Now place the top cover back and tighten all the screws properly using the electric screwdriver. Final check and safety tips. Check that the display turn on properly. Ensure all readings are clearly visible. The safety tips: always keep the battery off during this display replacement. To avoid static damage, handle connector lightly and carefully. Thanks a lot for staying with us till the end of this video. Hope the information I shared will be helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.
Eastman.